People like these little fast videos that I'm doing. I'm gonna show you an easy way how to remove your fenders. Actually, no, I'm gonna show you the normal way, but just so you guys can see, right? You need a size 10 millimeter, right, for the corner right here. The screw right there, as you can see, and for the bottom right here. Okay, see, take this whole thing off so you can see. Then you have that's the second one. That's the third one. The fourth one. And then when you go on to this side, fender connection right here. That's your fifth one right there. So it's so simple. So what I'm doing is I'm actually going back to blue. These are the carbon fiber fenders that I have. They're cut out, obviously thanks to JDM Story, my boy. These are the new ones I'm going to put in. Okay. So besides the fact of the screw that's over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the only thing that you have to do is basically you have 2 screws that go into here, and then this is the wheel well. You can put this 1, 2, 3, 4 right here on the inside of this. See it? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a fifth one right there. You know, just put some zip ties on it and it'll hold up perfectly fine. Alright. So one more thing, because I know people ask me, does it save weight? It's like ounces maybe you're saving by weight from carbon fiber to this one. As you can see on this one, look, my wheel weld basically just dangles. And my side markers, basically made them because I didn't have the prongs over here. I made them myself, whatever. Ran the wire and just connected to the back of the blinker. And then for the back of this, see that? That's all RTV, or you can use Honda Bond. So, you know, for any reason anybody wants to steal it, it's going to be mad hard to take out. Plus, it will never fall out. So, simple video. Okay, one. Okay, we got 1 screw, 2 screws on there. Just these are the main ones. Let me just show you the main ones to lock in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's going to hold up your fender. Right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Real simple and easy.